Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome dessert. It's delicious, easy to make and very fast recipe. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, in a bowl you need 20 grams of gelatin and 100 milliliters of water. Let's mix it and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now in another bowl, let's add 400 grams of cottage cheese, 300 grams of yogurt, and 100 grams of sugar. Also, 10 grams of vanilla sugar. Let's puree it or blend it together. Now let's cut 250 grams of fresh strawberries into little squares. When the gelatin is ready, let's heat it up in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Now let's add into the mixture of cheese. Now let's mix it all together, and now you can add the strawberries. Mix it, and let's pour it into our forms. Now let's send it into fridge until they harden up. When it's ready, let's take out of the forms and try this delicious dish. You can plate it with some mint or some more berries. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.